Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And after that you can click on your device at the device list to connect them. And here we go. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So just open the charging case and put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close it. And after that, open it again, and the earbuds will reconnect to your phone. So we should just wait, and we have it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should remove and add this earbud. So close the charging case. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, open the charging case. These earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!